In this video, we'll discuss the arm of the upper limb. The arm has 4 muscles in total and 2 compartments, an anterior compartment and a posterior compartment. There are 3 muscles in front, which are Biceps brachii, Coracobrachialis and Brachialis, and then 1 at the back, which is the Triceps brachii. So let's talk about the Biceps brachii. Bi means 2, so it has 2 heads, and brachii is arm, showing that it is a muscle of the arm. It has a short head, which is medial. You can remember this by show me, and a long head, which is lateral, LL. Note that the biceps brachii does not attach to any point on the humerus. The short head originates from the scapular-coracoid process, while the long head originates from the scapula at the supraglenoid tubercle. The 2 heads join to form a biceps tendon, which inserts onto the radial tuberosity. This forms an extension called the bicipital aponeurosis. All the muscles of the anterior compartment of the arm, including the biceps brachii, are innervated by the musculocutaneous nerve. The biceps brachii flexes the arm at the shoulder joint, it flexes the arm at the elbow joint, and it supinates the arm. Next, the Coracobrachialis. It lies just behind the short head of the biceps brachii. Just like the name, it originates from the scapular-coracoid process, passes through the axilla, and inserts onto the medial surface of the shaft of the humerus at the level of the deltoid tuberosity. It flexes the arm at the shoulder joint, and it adducts the arm. It is also innervated by the musculocutaneous nerve. Brachialis. The brachialis originates from the humeral shaft and inserts onto the ulnar tuberosity and coronoid process. It forms the floor of the cubital fossa. It flexes the elbow joint. It is innervated by the musculocutaneous nerve and the radial nerve. Then, the triceps brachii, which is at the posterior of the arm. It has 3 heads: the lateral head, the medial head, and the long head. The long head originates from the scapula's infraglenoid tubercle. So if you notice, the long head of the biceps brachii originated from the scapula's supraglenoid tubercle, while the long head of the triceps brachii is from the scapula's infraglenoid tubercle. The lateral head originates from the posterior surface of the humerus above the radial groove, while the medial head originates from the posterior surface of the humerus, inferior to the radial groove. The 3 heads join to form a tendon, which inserts onto the olecranon process of the ulna. The triceps brachii extends the arm at the elbow joint. It is innervated by the radial nerve. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.